I am so excited right now, and you need to hear why. This is important to every developer, every app creator, in fact, every normal person. Why is Fable 5 so important to you? Why is Mythos so important? Mythos, sorry, not Mythos. Mythos. Why is it so important? Let me explain. You know sometimes how AI gets stuck on difficult tasks and it just can't solve a specific problem. That's what's been happening to me for the past 3 days. Before Fable came out, before Mythos came out, I was stuck on something, an API call that just wouldn't work. The docs that were given to me wouldn't work, and I was stuck. Fable came out, and I said to myself, what have I got to lose? A few tokens, a few extra tokens. So what I did, I switched to Fable and asked it, can you figure this issue out? And guess what? I'm going to show you right now my screen. Check this out. Watch this. Here we go. At one prompt, all I said was, can you figure out where we are going wrong here? The support team said XYZ, and they told me that the problem is at our end, not in their documentation. He says to me, root cause, the payments form endpoint requires a root level description field when it's missing. And he explained, and he told me, he tested it and it's working. And he told me, listen, go back to your support team and explain what they need to fix in their documentation. So now you can finally see where Fable comes in. See, I was going to be stuck with this. I don't know how long it would have taken me to figure this out. And I don't want to use Fable. I want to use Opus 4.8 because I don't want to waste my tokens. But the times to use Fable is when you are stuck. When the AI says to you, I've tried, or when you keep trying and failing, switch to Fable, solve the problem, and go back to your original model. That's the workflow, guys. That's the workflow. This is a tip. Now, just as a side tip, an extra tip, since you stay till the end, I use VS Code with Claude Code plugin to create software. For those of you using Klein, you are wasting your money because you pay API fees. But with VS Code, you can actually use the Claude Code plugin, and then you can use Claude Code inside of VS Code. When you want to change model, you do /type model, and then you can do switch model and choose Fable. And this is what you do whenever you see that the AI is just stuck. It's brain dead. He's trying 100 times. He's trying everything. Don't waste your tokens. It's actually cheaper to use Fable for things that normal AIs cannot figure out. It's cheaper, guys. It's cheaper because in 1 second, you used maybe 1,000 tokens, fix the problem, and I can move on. I literally made this video just because I'm so excited that this new AI can help you get over the hurdles that other AIs just get stuck on. So when you're stuck, when AI says, I can't do this, I'm not able to, I just don't know how, I've tried everything, switch to Fable, he'll fix it, and then you can move on to your work and continue working as normal. Give a thumbs up, save this video, because at the end of the day, these videos are going to help you become the best developer possible. Bye for now.